Many have heard about the leg operation that was performed on Joseph Smith when he was just a little boy. But not many know that it was actually caused by the bacteria Salmonella enterica, also known as typhoid fever. Joseph's immune system had attempted to contain the typhoid bacteria by creating an abscess wall around it. However, this defense process also prevented Joseph's immune cells from being able to get inside and attack the bacteria and destroy it. A doctor was called to the Smith home and decided to drain the abscess. And when he did, some of that contained but very much alive bacteria quickly got into Joseph's bloodstream. Children have very strong blood flow in their legs because they are still growing. So when the bacteria got into the blood, it quickly went into Joseph's right leg bone, causing osteomyelitis. Luckily, the Smiths lived near the Dartmouth Medical School in New Hampshire, where a few years earlier, Dr. Nathan Smith had been studying treatments other than amputation for osteomyelitis.
He used to give his notes, and the students would take it down verbatim. They put down every word he said. And the one student mentioned that as he gave this talk on how to deal with osteo, he said, "It occurred to me that I might be able to save some of these legs by going directly to the bone." Just occurred to him. 1797. Didn't occur to anybody else.
Dr. Nathan Smith was called to the Smith home, and when Lucy asked him if there was another way to treat Joseph's leg other than amputation, he agreed to do a surgery instead.
I think you need to know a little bit about the disease. He had osteomyelitis, which was common in New England among young people in those days. Osteomyelitis forms a death of the bone of the cortex of the outside. You have the old bone in the center of this new shell. So they would drill in the outer bone, take a window of that out, and then go into and pull out the dead part with pincers.
The surgery was a success, and thanks to Dr. Nathan Smith, Joseph's leg was saved and he was able to walk into the sacred grove. And you know the rest.